You give a puppy a cheese file. If you want some cheese, you will get it. You give a puppy cheese, eat it up, it's good. Today, good dude, hungry, da 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 da. If you want some chicken and nuggets, you it is right there. You also like it better. Give a puppy cheese, give a puppy cheese. Call me, you want the food. If you want to know, it's food in a card. Call now, and I'll show you. If you wanted to eat, give a puppy a food. If you want to, come here. Never, 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 never. Always call it wants it to eat chicken nuggets. Go to and eat chicken nuggets. If you want to, you come eat. Then you can go to eat chicken. Go to eat chicken nuggets. Call me, always know. Go to eat food. We don't get the cold. Go to eat food. Go to eat food. You're always hungry. Chicken nuggets, pizza, pancakes, and cake. If you will give up on food, if you want to eat it, do you want to know sister? Call the eat food. If you want to know this is food. Never, 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 never judge a book by its cover. Yeah, 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 yeah.